Imagine a bike that practically disappears when you're not riding it, then springs into action for your daily adventures. This Viribus folding bike promises exactly that, but does it truly deliver on the ultimate urban convenience? Right out of the gate, the folding mechanism is genuinely impressive. Viribus claims it packs away in just 10 seconds, and it's not an exaggeration. With its one-step folding pedals, the self-aligning magnetic clip that keeps it securely closed, and the lightweight aluminum folding stem, collapsing this bike into an ultra-compact footprint is remarkably simple. This means it fits effortlessly into apartment corners, office spaces, or even the trunk of a small car. What's more, the integrated rolling wheels and stable folding handle post are a brilliant touch, allowing you to effortlessly roll your folded bike through train stations, bus terminals, or even into a grocery store without having to carry its entire 29.9-pound weight. That lightweight build, by the way, comes from its durable aluminum alloy frame, which confidently supports riders up to 265 pounds. But a folding bike isn't just about folding, it has to ride well too. The 20-inch wheels offer a nimble and agile ride, perfect for navigating busy city streets. The 7-speed derailleur makes a noticeable difference, allowing you to tackle inclines without breaking a sweat and cruise flats with surprising ease. Safety is paramount, and the V-brakes provide complete control, letting you stop on a dime when you need to. One feature that truly stands out is the step-through frame design. This eliminates the high crossbar, making mounting and dismounting incredibly easy. It's a thoughtful design choice that makes this bike perfect for seniors, women, or anyone who simply prefers a more accessible ride. And for those daily errands or commutes, the ample storage space is a real game changer. It comes with a versatile, removable front fabric basket and a sturdy integrated rear rack, offering convenient storage for groceries, a backpack, or any essentials you need to carry. Ultimately, the Viribus folding bike isn't just a space saver. It's a surprisingly capable and convenient companion for anyone navigating the urban jungle. It truly makes daily adventures feel effortless and accessible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.